Hello, welcome to News Hour on Lugard TV. I am Deborah Agbonika. The Supreme Court has dismissed an application by the candidate of the Social Democratic Party, SDP, in the November 2023 governorship election in Kogi State. Yakubu Murtala Ajaka urging the court to set up a full panel to hear an issue raised in his appeal. Ajaka and the SDP in their appeal before the Supreme Court are praying the Supreme Court to set aside the concurrent decisions of the Court of Appeal and the Election Petition Tribunal, upholding the victory of Ahmed Usman Ododo of the All Progressive Congress APC in the Kogi State governorship election held on November 11th last year. At the mention of the appeal on Monday, lawyer to Ajaka and the SDP, Pius Akubo, told the court that his client has written the Chief Justice of Nigeria for the constitution of a full panel of the court to hear the issues raised on page 16 of the appellant's brief of argument. Akubo said the appellants are seeking the court to depart from its previous decisions in determining the appeal. However, lawyers to the respondents, Kanu Agabi, for the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, Joseph Dawodu, for the governor, Ahmed Usman Ododo, and Emmanuel Ukala, for the All Progressive Congress, APC, all described the application by Ajaka and the SDP as unnecessary and urged the court, as presently constituted, to proceed to hear the appeal. In his ruling, Justice Mohammed Lawal Garba, who presided over the 5-member panel, noted that the issue in respect of which the appellants are seeking a full panel was a fraction of the entire appeal. Justice Garba further noted that the issue was one out of the 3 issues raised in the appeal. He held that the court, as presently constituted, could hear and determine the appeal. Justice Garba thereby dismissed the request for a full panel and called on the appellants to proceed with the hearing of the appeal. On their part, lawyers to INEC, Governor Ododo, and the APC adopted their briefs and prayed the court to dismiss the appeal and affirmed the judgment of the Court of Appeal, which upheld the decision of the Electoral Petition Tribunal that affirmed the election of Alhaji Ahmed Usman Ododo as a duly elected governor of Kogi State, having satisfied the provisions of the law and secured the highest number of lawful vote cast in the Kogi State governorship election. Justice Garba subsequently adjourned sitting and reserved judgment till a date to be communicated to parties. In his reaction, the APC chairman in Kogi State, Alhaji Abdullahi Bello, welcomed the decision of the Supreme Court to dismiss fresh application seeking the constitution of a full panel by the SDP and its candidate.
The fact is that the election of November 2023 was won by Ahmed Usman Ododo, and the tribunal affirmed it. Of course, the Court of Appeal did same, and I'm very confident that with the panel of judges that I have seen, with heavy credentials, experience, no matter what, APC will carry the day.
The state chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC in Kogi State, Abdullahi Bello, has expressed the party's readiness to win in all the local government areas in the forthcoming local council election in the state. He noted that part of the mandate for the party is to record wins across the 21 local government council in the election and in all circles of elections in the state, stressing the APC government in the state led by Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo has done so well by touching lives in all sectors of the state, thereby making it easy for the party to campaign on his record of achievement in less than 1 year in office, on the allegation by some members of the party that they were prevented from purchasing nomination forms. The state party chairman affirmed that no financial members of the party was prevented from participating in the primary election as the party produced hundreds of nomination and expression of interest forms from which the state working committee was expected to generate revenue for the party. He dismissed insinuations in some quarters that a single nomination and expression of interest form was printed for aspirants ahead of the APC primary election for the 21 local government council chairmen and 239 ward councillors in the state, describing such insinuation as handiwork of mischief makers whom he said are not on ground politically. He described the APC primaries for the local government council election as fair, free and credible. While congratulating the party's candidate for the emergence through the primary election process, he noted that the party has presented opportunities for them to represent the people in their various constituency and urged them to mobilize party members and supporters towards securing victory for the party in the October 19 local government council election in the state. That is it on Lugard TV. I am Deborah Agbonika. Do have a good day.